That's what makes it all worthwhile. Just coming out here and seeing nature. I mean, that's like 10 feet away from me, sitting up there in the sour orange tree. Sour orange tree, which by the way is doing a bit better since I gave it a major pruning. What do you think, Hawkie? I'm just going to leave you alone. You don't need me getting any closer or bothering you, so we'll turn around and go the other way. Well, it's not a good day for, I think it's little mockingbird. I was just standing there watering and watched the hawk swoop down and it grabbed the bird. The other birds are twittering in the background, like they're not happy, but hey, it's a circle of life, isn't it? What are you doing? Showing me what you got? Oh. I don't know why you brought it back here to me. Anyway, she's over here eating away on her breakfast, but there's a whole bunch of blue jays come over here. And they're like saying, get away, get away. But don't worry, blue jay, she's got a robin or something. Well, that's about it. You still see, if you look back there, the hawk's still sitting in the tree. What a way to end my little tour of the garden of my property.